Yo, what's up, you guys? Marty Schwartz here from guitarjams.com, bringing you a bluegrass traditional style progression for you guys with a couple cool little tricks. But basically, it's 3 easy chords with some tricks, so we'll have fun doing it. Also, if you're trying to get going with guitar and strumming, can be that first obstacle. My buddy Tim Pierce, famous LA session guitar player, put together an awesome beginner country strum. It's a great lesson. It's almost a half-hour long. I got a link for it down there, and I think it'll really help the beginners out there. But let's zoom in and break this one down right now. Here we go. So a basic rhythm: down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. Now, obviously, you can do more than that, but that's a good start. So check it out. D, 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 D7, D chord, up to A, then back to D, E, da, 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 D7. G chord, up to A, and back to D. And then a turnaround, you can always back to A, back to D. When you want to end it, you do it again. To A, then back to D. So now check this out. The D, I am a man of constant sorrow. With the rhythm and a little pizzazz. So it's kind of like the bluegrass scale, really. It's like the major pentatonic with the blues note in it. So when it goes to the A, you can just run up that scale and it looks like this. There's 2 different options. One, the A chord, then you're just going to go right here, which would be 3, 4, and then you're still holding the chord. So 2, 4, 2, and then the 2 up top or a whole chord. Check it out. The other option is the open A, and then 2, 4, up, which I think I heard Tony Rice do it that way. Check out Tony Rice if you don't know, if you don't know bluegrass, that's the guy to check out. So G, 4th fret on the D, D chord. That's just the vocal melody. And that's the classic little turnaround lick there. And so it's hammering from 3 to 4 on the D string, but then we want the index on the 2nd fret of the G planted. See that? So if they ring out together, I think that's a little more traditional sound. But then what we got to do, we're going to roll that index back over because we're going to do a pull off from 3 to 0 on the D string. D chord. So it looks like this. Sorry. All right, there it was. Thanks for hanging out. I really appreciate it. Hope to see you guys again real soon. Oh, my buddy Tim Pierce got that lesson down there. That's it. We'll see you again real soon.